Top of the morning to ya. It is morning. I slept okay, slept pretty good this time, and I've got a hanging fan. I got this off Amazon and it works really good, and it's just on the low setting right now and it's pretty quiet, but it kept a lot of good airflow in the tent. And I got another one beside me here, and it was perfect because it was a little humid, even though it was cooler, but that fan's definitely helped. Rinse my face, wipe my neck, my ears with a little bit of warm hot water.
Gonna explore the area and catch y'all in a few hours.
Brother gave me these boots. He was in the army. Thanks, brother, for these boots. They still serve me well. This area is pretty dope. There's no one out here. It's like a beach. I will be camping in my Jeep tonight. First time, since it's a little cooler. So basically, the tarantula was chilling with me. Oh yeah. Honestly, it looked like it was dead. I touched it and it moved. Kind of freaked me out a little, but I like spiders. Goodbye, spider. Alright, I'm gonna head back and I'll see y'all tonight when I camp in my Jeep.
any boats because people will damage them. Come on, people. Why do you ruin it for the rest of us? The egg run was successful. I'm gonna sleep in my Jeep tonight, and gonna go ahead and set up the sleeping arrangements, and I'll show y'all how it looks. And there you have it. Jeep's sleeping quarters. Airflow on all 4 sides. And I'm gonna zip this up so mosquitoes don't go in, because they start coming out around 6 o'clock. Alright, the setup's complete, and yeah, so gonna enjoy the rest of the night, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Cooking some dinner now. Good morning, y'all. Morning views from the Jeep. Good morning, y'all. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Next week and the weeks after, they're going to be awesome adventures. Next week it'll be a camp trailer on a private lake. Look forward to showing you guys that. Until next time, roam with Jeep.